Okay, so go ahead and tell me who you are and who you're with.
We are Droplet Technology, the first company to turn video from a chip business into a software application business.
And who are you?
I'm John Ralston, company's president and CEO. This is my colleague Rajiv Chamraj, who oversees all of our marketing and business development activities.
And so explain for the layperson, what does Droplet do?
For the layperson, many of whom have already begun capturing and sharing video from the cell phone, we eliminate the frustration with that video being limited to very small, size of my thumbnail, and very choppy, and still requiring a very expensive phone with lots of extra chips integrated inside for the video. We migrate all that to a very small software application, which for the first time is capable of capturing full TV size, full frame rate video, and doing it in much less expensive phones.
Through a standard phone that someone could buy with the camera built in.
Camera already built in.
And
yes.
you were saying that you handle the encoding and decoding,
yes,
all through software.
Both the capturing, so the creation of the video as it happens in front of us in our phones, as well as playing it back, as well as moving it through the network and sharing with our friends, family, colleagues, allowing them not just to watch it on another phone, but also to watch it, again, full image size on a PC as well. What's
been the hold up to that? Why are you coming out with this now? What has been holding back this kind of software solution to mobile video?
The fundamental breakthroughs that allow us for the first time to even do video is all software, and are reducing that to practice and proving out the capability in multiple phones for multiple manufacturers, getting the hands of mobile operators to see and feel the degree to which we can enhance their mobile video services has really been the holdup.
So with mobile, so just in practical terms, what is this? So I use the Droplet technology. What does that mean for somebody who's going to be using this software?
It means, first of all, the video they record with their phone will be much larger in size, much better in quality, faster in frame rate. It means that they'll be able to share it, in fact, two-way with their friends or colleagues. They can send their video to a colleague's phone, receive video from the colleague's phone. So we're both recording our own and sending it, receiving and playing back someone else's. So running, recording, and playback simultaneously is a big breakthrough. We achieve that by making the whole thing much lower in its computational complexity. Or if we now send the video to a friend's PC, what they receive and play back looks like it came from a real camcorder, not a thumbnail-sized clip from a cell phone.
Okay. And you have some demo of that for us right now, the two-way?
Yes, we have a number of demos here.
Let's take a look.
We can start with our two-way video sharing service.
All right, and so what are we going to be looking at here?
So both of these phones will be capturing and playing back video at the same time. So the first phone will be sending its video to the second phone will be sending its video to the first, and each of the phone subscribers in this case will be participating in real two-way video share.
So I'm on the phone, I've got a buddy that I'm talking to who's also got a video-enabled phone. How high-end a phone does this require?
With existing video sharing services, which are limited to one-way, and typically run on only a very small number of the highest end phones, we make the proposition two-way, and we allow it to run on basically any phone, even the lowest cost phones.
And when would this be available to people? When
expect to see this service launched by mobile operators in the US and in Europe starting in the first half of 2009.
Okay, so let's take a look.
So here we are. Again, we are, let me zoom in on Rajiv here. So my phone is looking at Rajiv, Rajiv's phone is looking at you, and we can see, again, two-way, real-time video share. In this case, over an AT&T wireless network. We've done the same thing on 7 different 3G networks worldwide to date. It's all basically the same. Pick any phone, install our software. Okay. It runs on just the simple little RISC processor that's in every phone today. So again, no special requirements in terms of high-end phones.
Okay, so it runs off of any RISC processor, and the software handles everything.
Yes.
The Droplet software handles everything else.
Yeah. It's as if you were downloading a little video, a little Java game to your handset. It's on the order of the same complexity.
Okay, and then you said you can also enable this kind of video sharing with PCs, correct?
Yes.
So you can share it to YouTube, or like, how does that, explain how that works when you're sharing it?
So there we go a step further. Now the user can, for the first time, capture much higher quality video. They can now use our server applications to send it from their phone to another phone to a PC, upload it directly to YouTube, and along the way carry out a lot of automated enhancement. We can, for example, insert a map showing where the video was shot. We can take several clips and on the server side stitch them all together, add a soundtrack, turn a number of individual clips into a very cool personal program that your friends are going to want to watch.
And you're saying that the standard like camera that comes in a video camera with like a 2 megapixel camera,
yes,
is enough to take like VGA quality footage?
Yes, the fact that most cell phones have evolved to capture decent quality photographs, so 2 megapixels, means that the camera module itself is very capable, in fact more than capable of providing decent quality video. TV size video is only 300,000 pixels, so the camera has already got 8 to 10 times as many pixels as it needs in order to do good photos. Then it really requires to do good video. The problem has been putting something in the phone that could take the video pixels fast enough and compress them in real time as they come at you.
Mm-hmm. All right. And then, so, you know, is this something that would work on an iPhone, or is this...
This is something that would happily work on an iPhone. It would happily work on a Google Android phone. Every one of those phones has got a chip inside with an ARM9 RISC processor. That's all we need.
All right. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you.